In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a filter on Jira. Jira is an incredibly powerful tool for managing projects and tracking issues or tasks. A common task you might find yourself doing is filtering issues to see only those that are relevant to your needs at any given time. But if you find yourself repeatedly using these same filters, it makes sense to save these filters for easy access in the future. So let's dive into how you can do just that. First off, let's navigate to the For You space. If you're already logged into Jira, you'll want to head over to the For You section. This can typically be found on the main dashboard or through the menu bar at the top of your screen. This section is your stepping stone into the vast sea of projects, tasks, and issues that Jira holds. Think of it as your specialized dashboard, where everything you're involved in is aggregated for easy access. After you've landed on the Your Work section, the next step is to select the project you're focusing on. Jira allows users to be part of multiple projects, each with its unique set of issues, boards, and team members. Click on the project that houses the issues you want to filter. This action will bring you to the project's dashboard, where you can see everything from upcoming sprints to recent updates. Now, with the project selected, it's time to narrow down to the nitty-gritty, the issues themselves. Click on the All Work tab. Here you'll see a list of all the issues within the project. This view is your playground for filtering and finding exactly what you need. Think of it as sifting through a treasure chest to find the jewels, or in this case, the tasks that you need to focus on. Inside the Issues tab, we start the actual filtering process. Click on Type to filter issues by their type. Types can range from bugs, stories, tasks, and more, depending on how your Jira is set up. This filter allows you to focus on the kind of work you're looking for, be it fixing defects, working on new features, or maybe just general tasks. Following the type filter, the next step is to click on Status. Status filters let you see issues based on where they stand in the workflow. Want to see only the tasks that are in progress? Or maybe you're interested in the ones that have been completed. This filter helps you narrow down the list to match your current interest. Lastly, click on Assignee. This is particularly useful if you're working in a team and want to see issues assigned to specific members, including yourself. It's a great way to focus on workload distribution or catch up on updates related to tasks assigned to you or your colleagues. After applying all your desired filters and having the list of issues exactly as you need, it's time to save this filter for future use. Look for the Save Filter button or option. This will usually be toward the top of the screen near your filter selections. Saving your filter means you can quickly access this specific set of issues without having to set up the filters again next time. Give your filter a meaningful name that you can easily remember, something that clearly indicates what the filter is about, so you or anyone with access to it will know at a glance what they're looking at. And there you have it. That's how you save a filter on Jira. Simple, right? Saving filters can significantly streamline your workflow, especially when dealing with large projects with hundreds or even thousands of issues. Plus, you can share these saved filters with your team, improving collaboration and focus across your projects. Remember, the more efficiently you can navigate and manage your tasks in Jira, the more time you can spend on the work that truly matters. Saving filters is just one of the many features Jira offers to enhance your project management experience. So go ahead, give it a try, and see how it transforms your daily workflow. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in for more tips and tricks on making the most out of Jira.